Hello, my name is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to the skate park. This is the first time. We'll see if I'm afraid or not. I'm only 2 years old. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If my adventures interest you, we will have fun together. Let's go! We arrived at the skate park. My mom puts gloves on me. It's very cold here, but it doesn't matter to me. I am so happy. It's the remote. You will understand later. We're going to do incredible things. Let's go to the skate park. Wow, this place is amazing. Let's see what we can do. This is my vehicle. I'm going to take the bike. I drive it well, and he goes fast.
Faut mettre le casque, faut mettre le casque.
My dad tells me to put on a helmet. Safety is important. My mom will help me.
Oui.
It looks like it's too small. Anyway, it's okay. But I don't see anything. Maybe it's good now. I'm a lovely boy. Mom, I don't see anything. It's better like this. Let's go now. Give me your hand, Mom.
Tiens, mets-lui les mains dessus et tiens-le par les hanches plutôt.
My dad gives instructions. Let's go.
Wow, c'est incroyable! C'est incroyable!
Mom is tired.
Alors, c'est comment? C'est incroyable, hein?
It's incredible. My mother announces the departure. It's fantastic. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. We'll do some incredible things. Let's change vehicle. Oops. She fell. Mom, come with me. Here we go. My favorite car. It's a Jeep. I got it for my birthday.
Viens, on fait un tour de voiture, Thomas.
My dad wants me to take a ride, but I prefer to control it with the remote. Help me, Mom. We'll do a stunt. Here we go. Did you see that? It was incredible. We have to get back now. We fall again. Luckily Daddy is here. This remote control is still practical. We did it. I'm going to do something wrong. One more time, Daddy. But we take the scooter. I think the Jeep is damaged. I need to make repairs. The pliers. The hammer. My mom tells me to fix the wheels. The drill. But I don't need it.
Allez, les roues.
Take it, Daddy. The screwdriver. Mom tightens the bolts. A few hammer blows. I do it myself. The front wheel too. The other side too. I think it's enough. My mom tells me to check the bolts. I will do that. It's good. Here is Dad. That's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. We go home. It's very cold here. See you next time.